A stock card or product card is a computerized record of a product or service. The stock card is the home of all information that is relevant to the given product. For example, the attributes such as barcode, price, and stock on hand of the item. In Minfos, all stock cards are listed in Product Maintenance. To access Product Maintenance, navigate to the Stock Manager module and select the Product Maintenance icon. The Product Maintenance window lists all stock cards in alphabetical order. Right-click to open the legend screen to learn the meanings of the icons and text colours in the Product Maintenance window. To search for a stock card, click Find. To search by name, enter the start of the product description, scan or enter the barcode on the physical product. Search by product number. This is a number that your database automatically allocates to each product in your store and is unique to your store. To search by preferred supplier PDE, enter a / and then the PDE. The PDE is a product identifier that is allocated by and exclusive to each supplier of the product. It is the identifier which tells the supplier what product you are ordering. To search by MNPN, enter an asterisk and then the MNPN number. An MNPN or Minfos National Product Number is the number given by Minfos to that product and is the same across all Minfos stores. You can also use the Advanced Search button to search via a keyword that is contained within the product description. In this demonstration, we'll search by barcode. Enter or scan the barcode and click Enter or press OK. The closest matching stock card is returned and highlighted. Double-click the stock card you wish to view or select the stock card and click Change. The stock card is displayed. There is a lot of information available on the stock card. As you can see, the stock card is divided into tabs to make it easier to find the information that you need. Let's go through the stock card, starting with the Details tab. The product number is displayed at the top of the Details tab, followed by the main barcode. Sometimes products have more than one valid barcode at a time. For example, when packaging is updated or there is a bonus pack available. Alternative barcodes can be viewed in the Barcodes tab. The name displayed in the stock card is the description that will appear on shelf labels and till receipts. There are several different product types available in Minfos. The product type selected will govern how stock on hand and gross profit for the product is calculated. The product type is set when a new product is added and cannot be changed at a later date. Product type 1 is the correct product type for most items in your database. These are physical items that have a unit cost, price, and are invoiced into Minfos. Product type 2, GP product, should always be invoiced into Minfos at no cost and sold at the till at a retail price. The 3 hiring product type is used to enter products available for hire. This product type allows the pharmacy to set hiring rates for different periods. There is further information about hiring available on the Minfos Help Centre. Product type 4, agencies, is used to record money collected for groups such as Medibank Private or charities such as the Red Cross. Product type 5, deposit, and product type 6, rounding, are set by Minfos. The deposit product type records deposits for hiring or special orders, and rounding records all rounding information from the till. Product type 7, services, should be used for services that your pharmacy provides and charges for. Service products are not physical items and do not have a stock on hand. Examples of services might include packing, health checks, or beauty services. Product type 8, chemo is used for chemotherapy items and is managed by Minfos. Checking the small label checkbox in the stock card will print a small dispense label when the product is dispensed. This is useful for labeling small items such as eye drops. The drug checkbox is controlled by Minfos. Stock cards marked as drugs will have drug information attached, which can be viewed in the drug tab. This information cannot be edited by pharmacies. Ticking the dispensable checkbox of a stock card will make that product available to dispense in the dispense form. This checkbox is useful for products that are not flagged as drugs but are dispensed to customers, such as wound dressings or Schedule 2 items. The section underneath displays pricing information. The retail and cost prices can be changed here if required. The previous cost and retail price information is displayed on the bottom right of this tab. It is best practice to update retail prices from the Price Manager screen, as it is designed to enable data-driven pricing decisions. Below the pricing information, the current stock on hand is displayed. If your pharmacy is a TerryWhite Chemmart that uses the hub to send and receive information from TerryWhite Chemmart head office, the link number of the product may be displayed. Otherwise, this field will be empty. As mentioned before, the MMPN is given by Minfos and is the same across all Minfos pharmacies. If a stock card does not have an MMPN, it means that it was created at your store and not added by a Minfos product update. The date that the item was last received is displayed in the last purchase field. The checkbox options below can affect the behaviour of the product across Minfos. The reorder stocked checkbox controls the inclusion of the product when the orders are generated. There are many screens in Minfos where you can filter to view only stocked products. The recommended checkbox is commonly used for dispensed items and can prompt the pharmacist to dispense the recommended item if appropriate. The discountable checkbox allows items that are checked to be discounted at the till and on promotions. The dual account type checkbox is only relevant to stores that use dual accounting. KVI stands for known or key value item and is used to flag items that customers know the price of and shop around for. Stock cards flagged as KVIs can be identified in many Minfos screens by the yellow $ icon. Minfos has a number of reports to analyse KVI items. The discontinued checkbox can be used to flag items that are no longer available. Discontinued stock cards appear greyed out in product maintenance. The final row of checkboxes is for GST. Stock cards added or updated via Minfos wholesaler updates will include the GST flag. This information is supplied by the wholesaler and should be checked by pharmacies. Maintaining the correct GST flag in your database is the responsibility of your pharmacy. Refer to your owner or retail manager for further guidance on GST. The next tab is the Categories tab. This tab displays classification information. A price policy is a rule that can be applied to the retail price of a product. In most cases, the price policy should be general and the price updated from the Price Manager screen. For product ranges that have a retail price set by the supplier, such as some makeup and skincare items, a supplier RRP price policy can be set. You can learn more about this on the Minfos Help Centre. Maintaining the preferred supplier of products increases the ease of ordering. You can update the preferred supplier for individual products by entering the supplier name or code in the text box. If you need to update a range of stock cards, it is most time efficient to use Product Quick Fix for this. The PDE and retail units set for the preferred supplier are displayed. The PDE is the supplier set code that tells the supplier which product you are ordering. Retail units are the quantity that a supplier or manufacturer require a product to be ordered by. For example, If we consider Glucogel's 70-gram packs of jelly beans, this product has a retail unit of 36, and this means that you have to order at least one box of 36. Correct retail units ensure your order, stock on hand, and cost prices are accurate. The next section of this tab shows the stock cards categories. In Minfos, allocating products into categories enables meaningful reporting, assists with the management of a product by a range, and increases the ease of ordering and maintaining accurate stock on hand. For products that are maintained by the Minfos Master Database, the brand and company will populate when the stock card is added to your database. The department, IEU or intended end use, class, and location can be used by your pharmacy to categorize your products. Some banner groups have a preferred category system, and generally there is no need to use every category level. It is more important that you maintain the one that you choose well. The AR product code controls whether the product will be generated on a dispensary or front of shop order. Sale 2000 is used for retail or front of shop items, and Sale 1000 for dispensary items. When your software collects product updates from Minfos, the AR product code will only be collected the first time the product is added to your database. If you change the AR product code of an item, it will not be overwritten by future Minfos product updates. The manufacturer, generic, and form fields are used for items flagged as a drug and are controlled by Minfos. As mentioned earlier in this video, the Barcodes tab is the place where you can add, delete, and view barcodes of the product. The Drug tab is only relevant for products that are flagged as drugs by Minfos or are being packed in medication packs for your customers. In stock cards that are marked as drugs, you can view the generic or active ingredient, the items in pack, schedule, recommended cautionary advice labels, and other drug information. This information is maintained by Minfos and cannot be changed in pharmacy. The Extended tab is home to the Exclude from Loyalty checkbox. If your store uses integrated loyalty, you may wish to check this box to exclude the product from the loyalty program. The Image tab can be used to input an image of the product if required. The Promotions tab will display details of any promotions that the product is currently on. The name and details of the promotion, as well as the regular price details and promotion price details, are displayed. If the product has been on promotions in the past, this information will be displayed in the lower panel. There is a lot of detail to be found on stock cards in Minfos, but don't worry, there is no need to remember it all. The main thing to remember is that when you want to look at the details of a specific product, product maintenance is the place to find it.